You know when you got soaked through the night sort of before and you've tried to dry it and you ride along and then you take your gloves off and then the smell of damp sweat is disgusting. But hey, at the same time, I don't mind smelling of a damp, sweaty old person because look at some of the amazing things that you can find. But look, right behind us, beautiful little water coming down. Again, a trip when you wing it is always the best. It's almost that story of get on your bike and just ride, because if you don't, do you know what I mean? You're missing out.
Definitely missing out.
I mean, it's October and look at this. Now it's forecast to rain, so we're not saying we're not going to get wet in any way whatsoever, but just wow. Absolutely wow. We're about to enter where they train superheroes, and I mean proper superheroes, people that save our lives. We're about to enter an army training kind of section where there can be live fire. It will tell us, but live fire, you might see, you know, like army people rolling across the road. You might have to duck, and you might also get chased because they might think that we're ninjas on the Honda Monkey. Okay?
I'm ready.
Let's enter the war zone. Here we go. Just past this bridge, mate. We're into a zone. Look, danger. Do not touch any military debris. It may explode and kill you. This is Ministry of Defence. Well, we're here right on the edge, just literally entered and going to enter into this zone. Now, if you can see, in the distance there's a flag up, and I don't know if you can even hear, but in the background, in the distance as well, there is also gunshots going off. It's quite scary. Of course it is, but obviously being on the monkeys and being ninjas, I'm sure we can go flying by. But yeah, you can hear bang, 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 bang. So yeah, it's like, whoa, okay. I've been here a few times. Like, obviously it's a little bit sort of visiting for me, because I was here, I think, for my first ever solo tour, and I came through here. So coming back, we've got better cameras and stuff. It's quite spectacular to catch it. And obviously I'm giving kind of Hoppo a guided tour now of like that trip, because he really enjoyed it. It's really nice, again, to spend time with somebody that really is enjoying the channel and what I'm doing. And it is excited to be back and to see this as in for real, in real life. It's absolutely amazing. But what we're going to do is we're going to head off. We're going to sort of go down here. I can't send the drone up or anything like that. Again, it is like the military. It is a defence. It is a training place, but it's got a road that goes through. So we're going to enjoy it, capture what we can. But I'm just excited. We've ridden, you know, probably 30-40 miles now, and it's just been absolutely spectacular. And unplanned, I know I keep saying it, but it's unplanned. It's an adventure that I didn't even know I was going on. So, wow, this is just absolutely awesome. So, Hoppo,
Yes, sir.
we're about to enter where they train superheroes, right? Now, we're on monkeys, and we obviously are dressed and look like men that are very muscly and superly fit, and they could think we're the enemies trying to sort of creep through the army-based training ground. Now, do you feel confident that you've got the skills and the speed on the monkey to be able to zoom past without being shot?
Where did you pick up the name Hop on the Hero from?
I thought it's because you rescued me.
And that as well. But there is a backstory to it. There is a backstory to it.
Is there?
Yeah. So I have no fear.
Is the backstory private and confidential? You're just gonna just everyone's gonna have to like make it up.
Black Ops, mate. Black Ops. I'm sworn to secrecy, I'm afraid.
Is that like you know when people play that shooting game? Is it called COD or Fortnite? Where you train that?
Yeah.
As a youth.
That's the got it in one.
There you go. Well, there you go. I'm well protected now. I've got a man that's played Call of Duty and has played a game called Black Ops. So he's obviously got the skills and the training that I need to be able to zoom through here in safety. But there is a lot of shooting going off in the background. So yeah, it'll be good. It'll be fine. I'm not worried. There's no scaredness in my face whatsoever at all. There we go, mate. We're off. Now remember, if you see like a sniper, just remember to shout duck.
Okay, mate.
Alright, just basic training there, mate. Just shout the word duck. And if you see someone playing golf, shout the word 4, and that also means duck.
Okay, mate. Also, oh, go on.
Other than that, just don't stop.
Okay, my advice to you also. My advice to you also would be, if you hear gunshots, mate, then jump in front of me and shield me, because you're supposed to be my protector. Is that a deal? Is that a deal?
Yes, mate. Well, don't worry. What I'll do, this a ridiculously huge rucksack on my back.
Yeah.
I'll just throw it at you.
Yeah.
And then the bullet will just hit that.
Oh, that's a good idea, actually.
Because this is that big, heavy, and padded.
Yeah.
We're sorted. So up here is the I think is the pub, the army pub, but I don't think they use it as a pub anymore. But I could be wrong. I've not been here for a little while.
Clearly.
Oh no, this is a clinic just for you to sort out the gunshot wounds.
Well, I don't need to sort out the gunshot wounds. Did you do your job correctly?
Yeah, don't worry, you're safe, mate. 11 out of 10. You are 100%, without a shadow of a doubt, perfectly safe.
Couldn't keep me safe yesterday from the rain, could you?
Yes, I did.
Well, actually, yeah, you did. I'll take that back.
Yeah. I gave you a hug and everything.
Yeah. Priceless.
You've had a helmet head huggle. I charge for that, you know.
Bet you do.
Power! And look how beautiful it is, though.
Tell you what, mate. I bet you're happy that I brought you here.
I am, man. I am.
For that red flag there, can you explain a little bit about that red flag there?
It means there's live fire going on, and basically
Live fire?
Yeah, live fire. They're basically the army are here training. This is a training zone for the army.
Okay.
I could be wrong because I've not actually read that anywhere, and I'm absolutely guessing. And there's been gunshots, and it said military defence, and we saw army vehicles go by. So I am guessing, but I'm pretty sure that's what it means.
So in a nutshell, you haven't got a clue.
I cannot really answer that at this current time due to the current situation.
So you can neither confirm or deny.
Just like that. But look at this big army truck coming up.
Woo! Oh my God.
Remember, mate, stealth, we're ninjas.
Surrounded by sheep, obviously, because we're in Wales. Look, I don't want to get too close.
Oh, look,
that
mate.
is fantastic.
Pub there,
Wow.
look. Ministry of Defence pub. That must sell. Look, and it's all covered up under army
Oh
stuff.
wow, look at that.
Now, I reckon that pub sells proper Spitfire ale.
Yeah.
It's got to be Spitfire or Bombardier ale, hasn't it?
100%.
Without a shadow of a doubt.
Without a shadow of a doubt.
You know we're now going to have to find a pub and drink Spitfire or Bombardier.
Well, I just want to find a pub, to be fair.
Yeah, me too. But being proper men of ninjas now and travelling through the military defence, where before we could walk into any old place, we can now walk anywhere because we've entered the military of defence.
We're all royalty, by the way, so...
That is true. Well, they're in training to protect me. They're basically, because Brute is in short supply, they're currently in training to be able to cordon off an area this size to keep me safe from all the women.
Yeah.
True fact,
Probably.
that is not made up in any way whatsoever. So, a year and a half, I know it might even be 2 years by now, but I'm sure it was about a year and a half ago, I was in this very spot, and if you look back at the Solo Welsh Weekender, you'll see me doing exactly this. Because this view is definitely one of the best in the world. You can just see for like, it's like forever. You can just see and see and see, and do you know what? It's just nice to be back to see it again. I mean, it's almost like, you know, the adventure of like the adventures, just to come back and revisit something and see it, because I didn't think I was going to be here, and just to see it again is just, it's just absolutely breathtaking. I mean, wow, just absolutely just wow.